Without wasting any time, let's jump in. Stand tall. Standing tall and straight is essential for achieving a deeper voice because it optimizes your posture, which directly affects your breathing and vocal cord function. Good posture, with a straight back and chest slightly out, allows your lungs to expand fully, enabling better control over your breath. This improved breath control helps you access your deeper chest voice, as it supports the relaxation of your vocal cords, leading to lower frequency vibrations and a richer, deeper sound. Additionally, standing tall boosts your confidence, which can enhance the overall quality and projection of your voice. Breathe through your belly. Belly breathing or diaphragmatic breathing is key to getting a deeper voice because it allows you to take in more air, giving you better control and power over your voice. To practice, start by finding a comfortable position where you can sit or lie down with your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly, just below your rib cage. As you inhale slowly through your nose, focus on allowing your belly to rise as it fills with air, while keeping your chest relatively still. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your belly to fall as the air is expelled. Repeat this process, concentrating on the movement of your diaphragm and the expansion of your belly with each breath. Consistent practice of belly breathing can strengthen your diaphragm and improve your ability to take deep, full breaths, ultimately leading to a deeper and more resonant voice. Loosen your vocal cords. Your vocal pitch depends on how much your vocal cords vibrate. To get a deeper voice, you need lower frequency vibrations. Relaxing your throat can help loosen up your vocal cords. Think about speaking from your chest rather than your throat. Do exercises. Now let's get into some exercises to help lower your pitch. Always start with vocal warm-ups to ease into using a deeper voice without straining your cords. Try blowing through a straw while making a sound to refine your breathing and engage your vocal folds properly. Hum through the straw for a minute or two. Grab your favorite book and read passages out loud, focusing on maintaining a lower timbre. Use some apps. There are some cool apps out there to help you train your voice. Apps like Vocular, Voice Pitch Monitor, and Voice Pitch Analyzer can test your pitch and help you work on deepening your voice. Projection. Projecting your voice is essential for achieving a deeper voice because it helps you use your diaphragm effectively, enhancing the resonance and fullness of your sound. Like any skill, projecting your voice takes practice. Start by speaking loudly and clearly in front of a mirror, and pay attention to your posture, breathing, and articulation. Then, try projecting your voice in different environments, such as a large room or a noisy street. With practice, you'll become more confident and effective at projecting your voice. You should pay attention to the speed of your voice when speaking because you will notice that usually when you speak fast, your voice will be less deeper than when you speak slowly. Testosterone. Having high testosterone levels can contribute to a deeper voice because testosterone plays a key role in the development of male secondary sexual characteristics, including the deepening of the voice. During puberty, increased levels of testosterone cause the vocal cords to lengthen and thicken, which lowers the pitch of the voice. To boost testosterone levels naturally, you can engage in regular strength training exercises, get adequate sleep, reduce stress, and maintain a balanced diet rich in healthy fats, zinc, and vitamin D. These lifestyle changes can help enhance your testosterone levels, leading to a deeper, more resonant voice. Until next time.